path here, so let's see what we can do. Alright, that's pretty spectacular. Okay, so what we have here is what looks like a track. Hopefully there isn't any bog holes that I'm going to get trapped in. Shit. Okay, so got the bike up, didn't film it, took a bit of a while, I had to go get a stick, so it took about an hour. And it was just in a funny position, it wasn't too dramatic, it was just in a bad position to get grip on, so I had to kind of wedge it with a stick. And pulled a muscle in my back in the meantime, so there was a lot of swearing and take it easy, stop if I need to, and hope the bike doesn't fall over. That's what actually happened here. I was looking down to see if the drone was following me. I went off the path, I should have gone there, and ended up going straight in there, which even now doesn't look like much, but it's quite deep. So it's a beautiful day in a beautiful part of the world. Alright, this bike really is capable of an awful lot. It's really warm today. Well, warm for Ireland. My pale and pasty skin is warm. I'm sure for people in other parts of the world this will be a cold day. This temperature's in this mid to late 20s. When they're used to temperatures, they're mid to late teens this time. The last few months. months because it's been a cold summer so far. This is warm. I just picked up a motorbike from a bog, not from a mountain. It was fun. Besides the back injury and getting the bike stuck, but two small things really. Got away lightly. Could have been worse. Because I really am quite a bit away from any help. If you like the video, please hit the like button. It actually does help a lot with the YouTube algorithm and stuff. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and I'll know there's an interest in it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.